This channel has mastered the art of storytelling, pulling in massive numbers like 85 million, 83 million, and 80 million views on its shorts videos. By sticking to a simple yet engaging format, it keeps delivering hit after hit. With YouTube paying around 6 cents per 1,000 views on shorts, the monthly ad revenue for this account easily surpasses $100,000. This channel has amassed a staggering 13 billion views using a strategy built on just 5 straightforward steps. In this video, I'll break down each step in detail, and at some point, I'll reveal a bonus tip that could skyrocket your video's success. Before we dive in, I came across something pretty interesting. You're probably aware that to join the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views in the last 90 days. But here's the kicker. I discovered a way to skip that hurdle entirely by using pre-monetized accounts. Imagine going viral with your first few videos and not losing out on ad revenue. With this option, you can start earning right away. Now, let's get back to the steps. The first one is understanding the algorithm. Before diving into the strategy that's guaranteed to crack the algorithm, it's crucial to understand how the algorithm operates and how we can make it work in our favor. Here's the key. Going viral on shorts isn't about luck. The algorithm prioritizes the most engaging and high-performing shorts, using watch time as its primary metric. If you can create content that keeps viewers watching until the very last second, or better yet, makes them hit replay, your chances of going viral are practically guaranteed. The algorithm is designed to identify high-quality shorts and promote them to a larger audience, making retention the key to success. While this might seem straightforward, it's far from easy. Every day, hundreds of thousands of shorts are uploaded to YouTube, all seeking for the viewer's attention. If your video doesn't outshine the one they watched before yours, they'll keep scrolling, and your retention will take a hit. To keep viewers hooked until the very last second, you'll need to follow the steps I'm about to reveal. The next step is crafting the perfect story. Let me paint a picture of the kind of video we're about to create. Imagine a quiet town in Minnesota. 3 kids are biking home from the video store when, out of nowhere, bam, a masked figure steps into their path. This is the essence of simple storytime videos, paired with AI-generated visuals displayed at the bottom of the screen. Now, you might be thinking, wait, he's on camera, I don't want to show my face, don't worry. I've done the legwork and figured out how to create videos like this entirely faceless. You won't need to show your face, or even use your voice. With the power of AI, we'll create content that's not only faceless, but even more polished than the example you just saw. The third step is building an engaging script. The script is the heart of your video. It's what makes or breaks your chances of going viral, especially in this niche. If the story doesn't grab attention, viewers will simply scroll past. Success hinges on your ability to craft a narrative that's both engaging and compelling. But if you're new to script writing, this can feel like a daunting task. Here's an easy workaround. Build on a concept that's already proven to work. Viral content often follows patterns, so if a video has gone viral before, it likely can again. That doesn't mean copying someone else's work. You'll want to use it as inspiration. Take the core idea of a successful video and, with the help of AI, transform it into an entirely fresh story while retaining the elements that made the original so popular. Here's how to do it. Go to YouTube and find a viral video in your niche. Copy the video link by clicking the share button. Head over to a transcription tool like HustleDude, sign up for a free trial, and use its AI transcription feature to extract the video's script. With the transcribed script in hand, open ChatGPT or another AI tool. Use a prompt to turn the original script into a new, unique story. The AI will recreate the narrative while maintaining the engaging style and key viral elements. Personalize. Focus on the people in the script and deliver the action scenes with some dramatic effect. The last but not least is bringing the story to life. Once you've finalized your script, take a moment to review and tweak it to ensure it flows seamlessly. The next step is to create a voiceover. While some reference videos use real voices, we're sticking to a faceless approach by leveraging AI. Platforms like 11 Labs allow you to craft unique, customized voices by adjusting settings such as gender, age, and tone to match your video's vibe. Generate the voiceover, download it, and refine it in editing software like CapCut to eliminate pauses and improve the overall flow. Now it's time to bring your content to life with visuals. Pair your voiceover with AI-generated images. Tools like Leonardo AI can help you create realistic and eye-catching characters or avatars that give your channel a unique identity. These steps make it possible to produce engaging, faceless content that captures attention. For the visuals, I recommend using Leonardo AI because it delivers excellent results and often allows you to work without a paid subscription. Alternatively, platforms like Midjourney also work well. After setting up an account on Leonardo AI, navigate to the image generation feature. In the text box provided, describe what you want the image to look like, and the tool will generate it for you. This process makes it easy to produce professional, visually appealing content with minimal effort. Before generating your prompt, it's important to adjust the settings to achieve a hyper-realistic look. Start by clicking the preset button in the top left corner and selecting Cinematic Keynote. This preset is ideal for producing realistic visuals, unlike others like anime, which are designed for specific art styles. Cinematic Keynote ensures the most lifelike results. Next, set the generation mode to quality for the best output and adjust the image dimensions to on-X-on. While it might seem counterintuitive since we're creating a 9x16 short-form video, the square on-X-on format is used because the character will occupy only half the screen. The other half will feature visuals that we'll create later. Now, set the number of images to generate. This depends on your available credits, but I recommend generating at least 4 options to give yourself a selection to choose from. Once these settings are in place, you're ready to craft a prompt and start generating high-quality images. Now copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Leonardo, and hit Generate. Wait a few seconds for it to process, and then pick the one you like best. I thought the one where the character is looking right into the camera turned out really good. Honestly, I think most people won't even realize it's not a real person. People are often less observant than you might think. Once you've selected your favorite image, hit the download button, and we can move on to the next step. We've created a realistic-looking character, and now we need to animate it to make it look like it's talking. A few years ago, this would have been costly and time-consuming, but with AI, we can do it in seconds. I'll show you a video of 2 people talking. Guess which one is AI generated in the comments for a chance to win free membership to my mentoring group. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Catch you in the next one.